Good afternoon, Marianne.
Yes, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Marian Pilipudan from Barangay Salvi Second. I'm a single mother, 27 years old. I have two children, and my father's name is William R. Pilipudan Sr. My mother's name is Mirna Pilipudan. I have two brothers.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to earn money to support my family.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I want to experience their culture, ma'am.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Ma'am, I'm obedient, honest, and hardworking.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
Before, ma'am, I work as a cook in some canteen.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
please tell me what place and how many years you work for?
I worked 2 years in Kuwait, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby? Whose
Yes,
baby
ma'am.
you taking care of?
My own
Okay.
child, ma'am.
How about elderly people? Who's
Yes,
elderly
ma'am.
people?
My
Okay.
grandmother, ma'am.
Do you have any other special skills?
Cooking, cleaning, washing.
Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now? Do you know
No,
how to
ma'am.
cook? What sort
Yes,
of
ma'am.
food can you cook?
Filipino food, ma'am, like adobo, menudo, sweet and sauce, sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking? From all
Yes,
the
ma'am.
house chores, which do you like most?
Cooking and
Okay.
washing, ma'am.
If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My
Okay. How
mother,
much is
ma'am.
the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200
Okay.
ringgit,
You
ma'am.
are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. I repeat, you are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. You are only
Yes, ma'am.
allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed. If ever
Yes,
your
ma'am.
employer find out that you're abusing to use your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed to the terms and condition? Are you agreed to the
Yes,
rules
ma'am.
and regulation for the handphone? How many years is the
Yes,
contract
ma'am.
as you agreed and understand? Can you describe
2
for me
years,
your
ma'am.
ethics?
I'm obedient, ma'am, honest, hardworking, and
Okay.
trustworthy.
How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will promise to do my best, ma'am, to do my duties and
Okay. Can you
responsibilities.
promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am,
Can
I will
you promise
promise.
not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work? Can you
Yes,
promise
ma'am.
not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer? Can you promise not to
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances? Do you
Yes,
really
ma'am, I
understand
promise.
of the rules and regulation of the agency? Do you pay any
Yes,
placement
ma'am.
fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid? Do you have any history
No,
of
ma'am.
sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness? Do you suffer
No,
from
ma'am.
any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect? Have you suffered from any
No, ma'am.
serious illness? I
No,
repeat,
ma'am.
have you suffered from any serious illness? Have you
No,
undergone
ma'am.
any operation? Are you
No,
medically
ma'am.
fit? Are you on any
Yes,
medication?
ma'am.
Are you allergic with any
No,
food?
ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for
No,
the
ma'am.
employer of any race? Are you prepared to eat the type of food
Yes,
taken
ma'am.
by your employer? Are you afraid of being
Yes,
left
ma'am.
alone in the house? Are you afraid of dogs or other
No,
pets?
ma'am.
Can you promise to work
No,
according to
ma'am.
instruction from your employer? Do you have any immediate
Yes,
family
ma'am.
working in Malaysia? Okay, Mayan, we have finished
No,
our
ma'am.
question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay? Okay, number 1. Upon
Yes.
arrival in Malaysia
Yes, ma'am.
within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back? Okay,
I will finish my contract, ma'am. If ever, I will ask my employer if they allow me to go and come back.
okay, number 2.
Thanks, ma'am. If
Tell
not,
us
it's okay
about
with
yourself
me.
and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
Ma'am, I'm Marian Pilicudan from Barangay Sabi 2nd, 27 years old, and I'm single mother. I have 2 children, and I
Okay,
want
Mary
to work
Ann, what do
abroad
you
to
want to tell
earn
to
money to
employer
support
watching
my
your video
family.
right now?
Good morning, to all prospective employer. If you choose me, you'll never regret because I'm responsible
Okay,
to you
thank you very
and to
much,
all my
Mary
duties
Ann.
and
We will
responsibilities.
update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.